Alam mo ba na 8 out of 10 women na may hormonal imbalance ay may congested liver din? Yup, yung atay na naglilinis ng toxins napupuno na. Kapag sobrang dami ng toxins sa katawan, acne kahit skincare queen ka pa, bloating kahit diet ka, mood swings kahit may self-care Sunday, PMS attacks na parang roller coaster, pagod kahit tulog ka na. Hindi yan tamad na katawan. Overloaded yan. According to studies, 80% of women having hormonal imbalances also have congested liver problem. Overloaded liver, unprocessed toxins, fake hormones na ginugulo ang tunay na rhythm mo, resulta, hormonal chaos na nagpapahirap kahit anong gawin mong mag-heal. Kaya, prevention ay mahalaga. Ika nga, prevention is cheaper and better than cure. Kaya detox is not a luxury. It's not a trend. It's not extra. It's the first step para bumalik ang balance ng hormones mo, maayos ang cycle, at bumalik ang glow ng katawan mo. Linisin mo ng loob, liver, gut, lymph, bago ka maghanap ng solusyon. Kaya, don't wait until your body screams for help. Start your gentle cleansing now before your body forces you to stop.